Well friends, here is problem number 11. I will read the question. The question is how many rhombus are in the given figure? And the options are 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the given figure. We have to find total number of rhombus present in the given figure. So one way is giving numbers to the parts and then start counting. Other way is just observing the figure and find the specified shape in that figure. So here I can find rhombus without giving numbers to the parts. Yes, this is my first rhombus. It can be easily observed. Okay, one rhombus. Next is here, plus one rhombus. Next is here, easily viewable this, that is plus one. Next here, that is 1. So these are the 4 rhombus that we found. Next, there are small rhombus like this. This is, that is, I will write here total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rhombus here. Small rhombus, that is 1 plus, I can find one more rhombus here. That's plus 1. Next, is there any rhombus that can be formed? Observe carefully. You can find some more rhombus. Yes, it is one more rhombus, small rhombus here. That's plus 1. And one more rhombus here. Plus 1. Next, here is one rhombus. Is it rhombus or not? It is. Yes, it is a rhombus. So plus 1. Now, yes, here is one rhombus. Have we counted this rhombus earlier? I think no. I will write here 1. Now, is there any other rhombus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I got 6 rhombus. Now, is there any other rhombus present? Yes, there is a big rhombus here. That is here. This is one big rhombus. So 1. So total here 1. Is there any other big rhombus present? No. So make total. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is, total is 11. Okay, now we got total 11 rhombus. Go to options. First option is 8. Second is 9. Third is 10. Fourth is 11. So fourth option is matching with our answer. So fourth option is the right one. So this is how we solve this example. Now I will move to problem number